HowExpert Guide to Sneaker Collecting. The ultimate handbook for starting a sneaker collection, identifying rare sneakers and preserving valuable footwear by HowExpert. If you want to start your own sneaker collection, identify rare and valuable sneakers, and keep your footwear in top condition, then HowExpert Guide to Sneaker Collecting is the ultimate resource for you. This handbook takes you step by step through the exciting world of sneaker collecting, whether you're buying your first pair or building an investment-worthy collection. Learn how to identify authentic sneakers, assess their value, and preserve them in top condition while staying informed about trends and technologies shaping the sneaker industry. Chapter 1. Introduction to Sneaker Collecting. Discover the appeal, collector types, and motivations for starting your sneaker journey. Chapter 2. The History of Sneaker Culture. Explore the origins, iconic brands, and moments that shaped modern sneaker collecting. Chapter 3. Sneaker Anatomy and Design. Break down sneaker parts, materials, and technologies to understand their appeal. Chapter 4. Planning your sneaker collection. Set goals, create a budget, and define your focus to build a standout collection. Chapter 5. Where to find sneakers. Source sneakers from stores, marketplaces, conventions, and secondhand shops. Chapter 6. Assessing value and rarity. Evaluate conditions, identify rare releases, and track trends to make smart purchases. Chapter 7. Storing sneakers. Safely, protect sneakers with climate control, cleaning, and preservation techniques. Chapter 8. Organizing and tracking your collection. Use digital tools, labels, and apps to keep your collection organized. Chapter 9. Displaying sneakers. Creatively, design showcases and themed arrangements for your collection. Chapter 10. Buying and selling sneakers. Win raffles, negotiate deals, avoid counterfeits, and resell for profit. Chapter 11. Sneaker investing strategies. Treat sneakers as assets, forecast trends, and build a profitable portfolio. Chapter 12. Sneaker repair and restoration. Restore vintage sneakers and fix wear and tear with DIY or professional services. Chapter 13. Networking and trends. Connect with sneakerheads, attend events, and explore modern trends like NFTs and sustainable footwear. Chapter 14. Conclusion. Recap lessons, stay inspired, and plan next steps for growing your collection. Chapter 15. Appendices, access glossaries, events, resources, and tools for budgeting, authentication, and inventory management. Sneaker Collector's Guide. Covers sourcing, investing, preserving, and showcasing sneakers. Helpful tools and resources. Offers budgeting tips, inventory management, and authentication strategies to build and manage your collection. Proven buying and selling methods. Learn to find rare sneakers, negotiate deals, and resell for profit while avoiding counterfeits. Modern trends and innovations. Stay ahead with insights into restoration techniques, sustainable sneakers, NFTs, and creative displays. Whether you want to collect iconic sneakers, invest in rare shoes, or display your collection like a museum, HowExpert Guide to Sneaker Collecting gives you the knowledge and tools to succeed. Packed with step-by-step advice and expert tips, this guide makes sneaker collecting simple, fun, and profitable. Get started today. Grab your copy of HowExpert Guide to Sneaker Collecting and turn your passion for sneakers into a lifelong hobby or profitable investment. HowExpert publishes quick, how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.